तालीमी मैदान में सरगर्म और मुनज़्ज़म तालीमी इदारा डायनामिक इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज टीचिंग अकेडमी डेल्टा दी चेंज एजेंट तुरबत के ज़रिए तमाम फाउंडेशन ग्रुप्स क्लासेस के जानिब से शानदार प्रोग्राम का इनेकाद हुआ। प्रोग्राम का आगाज़ तलावत कुरान पाक से हुआ, जबकि तालबा ने तकारीर, टैबलोस, गाना, कन्वर्सेशन, मज़ाकिया ड्रामा और दीगर फ़न का मुजाहिरा करते हुए अपनी सलाहियतों को उजागर करने की कोशिश की। प्रोग्राम में कसीर तादाद में मेल और फीमेल स्टूडेंट्स ने शिरकत की। इस मौके पर डेल्टा सेंटर के डायरेक्टर बख्तियार फुलान और असातिज़ा मौजूद थे, जबकि प्रोग्राम से फाउंडेशन ग्रुप के लीडर अली जान मकसूद ने खिताब करते हुए कहा,
So here it was discussed about sincerity. The main thing that we wanted to discuss about, are we sincere with ourselves as students? What does sincerity means to us? How can we become sincere? For example, you all are studying here. It is all the programs, the tests, the quizzes, and everything else. They all are part of our year course, our speaking, or our learning English, the complete process of learning English. Now, we all know how sincere we are. Neither I can describe sincerity, nor anyone else can, or neither can we buy it in bazaar and give it to you. It is all inside you. You need to have it. You need to do it in one way or the other. But it is all a question. This program should just leave a question on us, whether we are sincere with ourselves or not, in any way or anything. I think most of you are coming from far areas. Most of you are not from Turbat, if I'm not wrong. Yes? Most of you are not from Turbat. So you have journeyed so much. All are coming from far areas. Now this question should be answered by yourself. You all should answer this question to you when you go from here. When you leave the academy today, have this question with you, whether you are sincere with yourselves or not. And if you are sincere, that's good, you are appreciable. And if you are not, it depends on you how you make or how you practice to be sincere. That's all we just wanted to show. And they all are foundation students. I have no any complaint whether they were ready, they were not ready, because this is the place they will learn. This is the place they will grow. So for growing we need to do mistakes, and if they have not done any mistakes, I would have not been satisfied with the program. Now that they have done mistakes, it means that they are learning, and we all are learning here. So thank you for giving your time and everything and bearing us. Thank you.
जबकि अकेडमी के जानिब से प्रोग्राम के मुख्तलिफ सेगमेंट्स में हिस्सा लेने वाले स्टूडेंट्स में इनामात भी तकसीम किए गए।